I'd like to show a close-up here of a modification for a deep pressure massage stroke to the neck, posterior neck, with the client prone. Normally it's done with supported thumbs, one thumb over the other thumb. We start vertically, pushing downward toward the floor, in other words, posterior to anterior. And as we go up the neck, we become more horizontal, and we end on suboccipital musculature or on the occiput. And this is kind of the default guideline for this stroke, using supported thumbs, scoop stroke from vertical to horizontal. But now I'd like to show a modification of this, where we're going to transition from one thumb over another to a contact with the Thenar Eminence, and then use the other hand to traction the shoulder girdle down inferiorly to get a deep work with a stretch, at least to the upper trap up here, since we're pulling the scapula down. So I start in the same position with supported thumbs, and I come up, and as I start to come up, I transition to the Thenar Eminence of my right hand as the contact, and I pull back with my left hand, and you can even see the stretch in the upper trap as I finish on the tissue of the upper trap, or I can finish on the occiput and traction the occiput. So again, start with supported thumb contact, transition to Thenar, and pull back with the other hand, and finish right there. Supported thumb, transition, Thenar Eminence of my right hand, pull back with my left hand, and finish the stroke there. Nice traction of the occiput, or nice deep pressure work into the suboccipital region. If you liked this video, know that it is part of our video streaming subscription service. Click the link below for more information and receive a free ebook when you sign up.